Do you know a woman named Surya Surendran collapsed at Kochi International Airport before leaving for the UK by accidentally eating oleander leaves at the courtyard of her house. In response to the fatal poisoning of 24-year-old Surya Surendran, who unknowingly consumed oleander leaves, locally known as Arali in Kerala, two prominent temple boards in Kerala have banned the use of oleander flowers in temple offerings. This precautionary measure, taken by the Travancore Devaswam Board and the Malabar Devaswam Board, aims to prevent similar incidents by restricting the flowers used in religious rituals and prasad. These two boards manages around 2,500 temples in Kerala. Now let's see the risk related to oleander plants. Despite its popularity for ornamental use, the Nerium oleander plant is extremely poisonous. Every part of the plant, including leaves, stems, flowers and roots, contain cardiotoxic glycoside named oleandrin that can cause severe poisoning. Oleander poisoning can cause symptoms like nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea and irregular heartbeats, which can be fatal in severe cases. Poisoning can occur through ingestion, inhaling smoke from burning the plant, or skin contact. This recent tragedy underscored the plant's lethal nature and highlights the need for greater public awareness and safety measures. Now let's see oleander in traditional medicine. According to the Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India, oleander has been historically used in Ayurveda for treating various skin conditions and is included in several remedies. However, due to its high toxicity and narrow safety margin, medical experts strongly advise against its unregulated use. And now let's see the safety measures and treatment for oleander poisoning. If oleander is ingested, it's important to rinse the mouth immediately to remove any residue and drink plenty of fluids to help detoxify the body. Hospitalization is often required to manage the symptoms, which can last several days. Prompt medical treatment is crucial and can be life-saving, though severe cases may still result in death. Let's also see about the Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India in short. The Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India is an authoritative guide issued by the Government of India that sets standards for the preparation, quality and dosage of Ayurvedic medicines. It ensures the safety and effectiveness of Ayurvedic treatments by providing detailed monographs on various plants and substances crucial for standardizing practices and manufacturing in Ayurveda. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe Niti Educational Academy.